In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or delete your messages on Airbnb. Managing your messages on Airbnb can be a bit confusing if you've never done it before, but I'm here to make it simple. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate over to airbnb.com. Make sure you're logged into your account, as you'll need access to your Airbnb dashboard. If you're not logged in yet, just enter your account credentials. This will seamlessly take you to your personal dashboard. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There you should see your profile icon, a little circle with your picture, or default icon if you haven't uploaded one yet. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear right before your eyes. Among the options listed, look for the one labeled Messages and go ahead and select it. Now you've reached your Messages section. Here you might see a long or short list of conversations, depending on how active you've been on the platform. What you're going to do next is locate the specific conversation you need to manage. You'll notice just to the right of each conversation, there's a three-dot menu. This is your gateway to more options, so click on it. Upon clicking, you will be presented with a few options, one of which is to archive the conversation. Selecting Archive will move this conversation out of your main inbox, effectively hiding it from plain view. However, don't worry about losing access to it entirely. These archived messages remain retrievable under the Archive section, which you can access at any time if you need to restore or revisit that conversation later on. It's crucial to understand that at this moment, Airbnb doesn't allow users to permanently delete conversations. The best you can do is archive them, which keeps your main inbox tidy and uncluttered without losing the conversations forever. And there you have it. You've just learned how to hide or archive your Airbnb messages quickly and easily. Remember, if this tutorial was helpful, do not hesitate to like, share, and subscribe for more Airbnb tips and tutorials. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all the latest tricks and advice. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.